This is going to be a video tutorial on how to display or remove the home button in the Brave web browser. I will be using Ubuntu 24.04 for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Brave browser opened up now. To add or remove the home button, if you look up top here, you see I have no home button up here. By default, your home button is probably not displayed, but to add it, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings, and click on Settings. Now in the pane off to the left hand side here, you want to click on Appearance. And then under Toolbar, Show Home Button Displayed. If you toggle this on, the home button will appear. Now I have a home button, and once you've toggled it on, you could add a custom web page right down here by placing, you want to toggle this bottom one on and place the URL right in this box right here. And to disable the home button, you just toggle off this button. That is how to add or remove the home button in the Brave web browser. Thanks for watching.